Hey YouTube, this is Jing Store and welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, please do like and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated and every time I will post my new video. So today I am so excited to show you how I transform myself from this look to this. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So first things first, we need to apply a primer and a moisturizer before we oh my god. So unahin muna natin this time we are going to apply primer and moisturizer before we do apply the foundation. So for our foundation, I am going to use this Ashley Superstay Perfecting Foundation. Reveal your true beauty in the shade of the shade of number 3. So kinakailangan na tapan natin ang lahat ng mga alam para hindi makita ang mga pagkukulang natin. So sometimes we need to cover them up para matanggap din tayo. Kung sa tingin mo hindi ka naman kagandahan, then itago mo lahat. I'm grabbing this Love Soul Silky Skin Concealer and I will apply it in some of the part of my face para itago natin yung mga sumpa. Using this beauty blender, i-blend po natin kahit beauty can't be blend. We are going to set this using this clean and clear pressed powder. So using this Dermacol gel eyeliner, I'll be using this one for my eyebrows. And we are going to clean it up. So linis din pag may time, diba? Hindi sa naday pa nagsaday, oy. Dah, diba? Pilong malaban, day. And so ngayon, we are going to contour our face using this Everbalena in the in the shade of air. So, i-asphalt to na ito atong na, oh my god. Feel na ko na kay murarag puti kaayo pero kung dili sa nagsobraan na dili sa personal, no? Di, feel na ko kay sa kuan depende sa lights. So let's try with the other light. Switch. Pwede na. ngayon, we are going to use this Huda Nude Makeup Palette in the shade of Red. Grabbing this fluffy brush, and we are going to use this tickle shade as our transition. Now we are going to intensify this part, the outer part of our lids, using this black eyeshadow and the combination with the Love Bite red color in the nude Huda base. So this time we are going to create the cap crease. First, we need to put it with a concealer. And we are going to use this fancy, this exact shade in the middle of our eyelid. We are going to apply a darker shade in our under eye. Pero bongga na. This time we're going to use the Dermacollagen gel eyeliner into our lid. We are going to apply this Eyeshadow contact lens. It's like a shade of green, like that. So we are going to use this one. Ano pinaka? This one. And so ngayon, we are going to put now our falsie, which I ordered in Shopee. This is in the brand of Dengsen, yes. This is very cheap. Yeah. use this lipstick. So this time, it's time for the highlights. So this is our final look. So I hope you like this, and don't forget to subscribe and like and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated and every time I will post my new video. See you guys.